Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here 400 MCQs of Jacobian 2 restoration period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 92 up to part 4. Now this is part 5. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के सेंटेंसेस क्वेश्चंस जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर है 93। Whose Pindaric ode influenced the poetry of the 18th century? Whose Pindaric ode influenced the poetry of the 18th century? Option A Richard Crassus, option B Thomas Fuller, option C Edward Heights, and option D Abraham Cowley. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this is Abraham Cowley, यानी कि option D is the correct answer. Now question number 94. Who wrote He That Loves a Rosy Cheek? Who wrote He That Loves a Rosy Cheek? Option A Jeremy Taylor, option B Richard Crassus, option C Thomas Carrier, and option D Henry Vaughan. So option C Thomas Carrier is the correct answer. Thomas Carrier wrote that He That Loves a Rosy Cheek. Question number 95. What form does Satan take when he comes to tempt Christ in Paradise Regained? What form does Satan take when he comes to tempt Christ in Paradise Regained? Option A an angel, option B an aged man, and option C a serpent, and option D none of these. So option B an aged man is the correct answer. Now question number 96. Which Greek author's model did Milton follow in writing Samson Agonistes? Option A Sophocles, option B Seneca, option C Euripides, and option D Aristotle. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Sophocles is the correct answer. Now question number 97. Now question number 97. Who in which year was Paradise Lost first published? In which year was Paradise Lost first published? Option A 1641, option B 1667, option C 1668, and option D 1669. So option B 1667 is the correct answer. Now question number 98. Who directs Saturn to the earth in Paradise Lost? Who directs Saturn to the earth in Paradise Lost? Option A Gabriel, option B Sun, option C Raphael, and option D Uriel. So Uriel, option D is the correct answer. Now question number 99. John Milton was born in option A 1607, option B 1608, option C 1609, and option D 1610. So option B 1608 B is the correct answer. Now question number 100. Name the writer of the essay on solitude. Name the writer of the essay on solitude. Option A Thomas Carrier, option B Robert Herrick, option C John Donne, and option D Abraham Cowley. Abraham Cowley. So which one is the correct answer? Abraham Cowley. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 101. Question number 101. Sophonisba and the insatiate countess are the works of option A John Haywood, option B John Marston, and option C John Ford, option D Richard Lovelace. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B John Marston is the correct answer. Now question number 102. Name the writer who was the court musician and general provider of entertainments to Henry VIII. Name the writer who was the court musician and the general provider of entertainments to Henry VIII. Option A. Isaac Barton. Option B. John Ford. Option C. George Herbert. And option D. John Haywood. John Haywood. So option D. John Haywood is the correct answer. Now question number 103. Which of the following is written by John Haywood? जॉन हेबर्ट के द्वारा क्या लिखा गया? ऑप्शन ए लव्स सैक्रिफाइस, ऑप्शन बी द साइलेंट वुमेन, ऑप्शन सी अ प्रीस्ट टू द टेम्पल एंड ऑप्शन डी द फोर पीज. सो द फोर पीज इज द वर्क ऑफ जॉन हेबर्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 104. द फोर पीज अभी आया कि अब्राहम का यस जॉन हेबर्ट के ने लिखा हुआ है द फोर पीज. उसी से रिलेटेड द फोर पीज इज ए और एन. फोर पीज क्या है? ऑप्शन ए डायलॉग, ऑप्शन बी रोमांस, ऑप्शन सी एलेजी एंड ऑप्शन डी सटायर. सो ऑप्शन ए डायलॉग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. डायलॉग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन ए डायलॉग. Question number 105. The three character out of four in the four P's are. जो फोर पीज होते हैं उनमें से तीन हैं अ पेडलर, ऑप्शन बी अ पार्टनर, ऑप्शन सी अपोथेक्रेसी पोथेकरी पोथेकरी. हु इज द फोर्थ वन? फोर्थ वन क्या है? ऑप्शन ए अ प्रीस्ट, ऑप्शन बी अ पामर, ऑप्शन सी अ पर्सन एंड ऑप्शन डी फिलोसफर. सो ऑप्शन बी अ पामर, यानी कि अ पेडलर, अ पार्टनर, अ पोथेकेरी एंड अ पामर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. नेम द राइटर ऑफ इट इज अ पिटी सी इज अ वोर. ऑप्शन ए जॉन हेवुड, ऑप्शन बी फिलिप मैसेंजर, ऑप्शन सी जॉन फोर्ड एंड ऑप्शन डी जॉन हर्बर्ट. जॉन हर्बर्ट. सो ऑप्शन सी जॉन फोर्ड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 107. Perkin Warbeck is a play. Perkin Warbeck is a play. Option A comic history, option B tragic history, option C literary history and option D mask. So option B tragic history is the correct answer. Now question number 108. Which work of John Ford was collaborated by Dekker and Rowley? Which work of John Ford was collaborated by Dekker and Rowley? Option A The Broken Heart, option B Lover's Melancholy, option C Love's Sacrifice and option D The Witch of Edmonton. So option D is the correct answer. Option D The Witch of Edmonton. Now these questions are very useful, dear friends, so listen this question again and again. Now question number 109. Who among the following is not one of the religious poet of the Jacobean period? Who among the following is not one of the religious poets of the Jacobean period? Option A Henry Vaughan, option B George Herbert, option C Macaulay and option D Crassus. Option D Crassus. So which one is the correct answer? Option C Cowley is the correct answer. Option C Cowley is the correct answer. Now question number 110. When was John Ford's The Broken Heart written? When was John Ford's The Broken Heart written? Option A 1633, 1623, option C 1634 and option D 1638. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A 1633. Now question number 111. Name the friend of George Herbert who got his poetry published soon after his death. Name the friend of George Herbert who got his poetry published soon after his death. Option A Nicholas Ferrer, option B Nicholas Luca, option C Nicholas John, and option D Nicholas Barry. Nicholas Barry. So the correct answer is option A Nicholas Ferrer. A is the correct answer. Now question number 12. George Herbert's 112. George Herbert's The Temple had a considerable influence on. George Herbert's The Temple had a considerable influence on. Option A John Haywood, option B Philip Messenger, option C John Ford, and option D Richard Cressa. Richard Cressa. So George Herbert The Temple Bad had a considerable influence on Richard Cressa. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 113. Pick the odd one out. इनमें से अलग क्या है? प्यूरिटन एज, अगस्टन एज, जैकोबियन एज एंड कैरोलाइन एज. So the correct answer is option B. Augustan age is odd. Option A, B, Augustan age is the correct answer. Now question number 114. The 17th century was marked by the downfall of. Option A Romanticism, option B Classicism, option C Renaissance spread, and option D pseudo-classicism. Pseudo-classicism. So option C Renaissance spread. The 17th century was marked by the downfall of Renaissance spirit. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 15. 115. 115. Which movement is considered as the second and greater Renaissance? Which movement is considered as the second and greater Renaissance? Option A aesthetic movement, option B Puritan movement, option C Oxford movement, option D romantic movement. Romantic movement. So which one is correct answer? The correct answer is option B 14th for Puritan. Question number 115, option B Puritan movement. Now question number 116. What became popular in the beginning of the 17th century? 17th century के beginning में क्या popular हुआ? Option A Pepys Diary, option B Dryden's Drama, option C Shakespeare Sonnet, and option D Milton Sonnet. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Pepys Diary. Pepys Diary. Pepys Diary is the correct answer of 116. Pepys Diaries. Now question number 117. Yes, now question number 117. The poetry full of conceit, aggregation, far-fetched similes and metaphor is known as. Again, listen the question. The poetry full of conceit, exaggeration, far-fetched similes and metaphors is known as. Option A Puritan poetry, option Pre-Raphaelite poetry, option C metaphysical poetry, and option D classical poetry. So the correct answer is option C metaphysical poetry is the correct answer. 115. The correct answer is option B Puritan movement. What became popular in the beginning of the seventh? नहीं ये तो हो गया था seven poetry. Is Pepys Diaries. Then this one is question number 117. 117 C metaphysical poet. Now question number 118. The term metaphysical was coined in. The term metaphysical was coined in option A Life of Milton, Life of Milton, option B Lives of the Poets, option C The Progress of the Soul, and option D An Essay on Dramatic Poesy. So the correct answer is option B Lives of the Poets. Now question number 119. The most popular Cavalier lyricist was option A Carew, option B Lovelace, option C Suckling, and option D Herrick. Option D Herrick. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D Herrick. Now question number 120. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires, or from star-like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. This song is written by. So, which one is the correct answer? These four options are here. Andrew Marvell, option B Lovelace, option C Thomas Carew, and option D John Donne. So, option B Lovelace is the correct answer. Dear friend, this is the second last question of this video. तो यदि आपको ये क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको इसके नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच सकें. हु published A Life of George Herbert in 1651? Option A John Ford, option B Isaac Walton, option C John Haywood, and option D Philip Messenger. So option B Isaac Bolton is the correct answer. Now this is the last question, dear friends. The complete angular. The complete angle is a constantly designed for the instructions of fishermen. Name the writer of the work. Option A Isaac Bolton, option B Sir John Suckling, option C John Haywood, and option D Philip Messenger. Philip Messenger. So the correct answer is option A Isaac Bolton. Isaac Bolton is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.